Hi, good evening. I am Shari Lazaro Jr. and this is my presentation about ideology and rules of MMM. What is the biggest problem of every country? Why are some children work for their family instead of going to school? And why other people living in the squatters area? And why are some finding money and food in the garbage? What really is poverty mean? Poverty is not lack of money, but actually, poverty is also lack of opportunity, lack of chance, lack of access to the things we call essential to life. Poverty is also lack of hope. Why some people eat delicious food, live in comfortable, beautiful, and secure place, study in the expensive school? It is clear that we are living now in the unfair, unjust, and unequal society. We are living in the slave-owning system. Why it has happened? Because there is a modern monster who are robbing the people and lie around us. A huge, continuous, monstrous, embellishing lie aren't interested in the society, but in their own goal, the bank. The banker, the head of the bank, he has power over money and is well connected, and we are ordinary people having no power or clout. Naturally, the banker lives better than we do. Why does the banker live better than the worker? Because the banker has always got money. In fact, these banks multiply money without any control, and we're still wondering, why does the banker live better? It is clear now. The one who produces the money, of course, lives better. Even we work hard and do overtime, but still we have debt and no savings. Because we work for ourselves just to get a little benefits. The reality is, we work for the giant companies, bankers, financiers, government, and billionaires for their own self-interest and benefits. That's why the rich become richer and the poor become poorer. We are not slaves. We are human, and we choose to have freedom. But how can we be free from this financial slavery? Good news. Freedom is in our hands. Introducing MMM. What is MMM? MMM is not a bank, nor a company, not a business, nor HYIP or investment program. And it doesn't collect any money funds. MMM is a community where people help each other. MMM gives you a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and to those who are ready to provide help for free. How does it work? Participants ask not to donate their all property, but only their extra money. MMM does not have any contract nor guarantee. Participants donate willingly and is not forced to do so. In MMM, there are no debtors and lenders. MMM is very simple. We donate money when we are able to do it, and we get help when we need it. All participants are only asked to be honest and kind to each other. It is peer-to-peer transaction. Donation transfer directly to each other. What are the goals of MMM? The goals of MMM are to help all the people in the world, especially those who are in need. Second, spread the money among people so that they gain financial freedom. Third, create a new fair financial system in the society. Information about MMM. MMM is a global and widespread through Bitcoin. So, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency. It is independent to any central authority. It is used to transfer electronically more or less instantly with a very low transaction fees. MMM has over 138 million members in over 107 countries. MMM operates for years, since 2011, and over $14 assistance provided. MMM is the fastest growing community in the world. And last, MMM is 100% legal in the whole world because donation or giving help is not illegal. What are the advantages of MMM? In MMM, your donation will grow 20 to 100% Mabru growth per month every completed daily task. 30% Mabru growth per month of provided help, plus 10% referral bonus for help made by people you invited. For example, your family, friends, and relatives. Next, we have $20 bonuses for first time help if you donated $50 and above. Next, we have 5% bonus for record video after you get help, and also chance to win a lottery raffle every Wednesday. What are the MMM rules? Participants asked to donate their spare money. MMM has no guarantee because guarantee is only on the paper and it is not true. Participants are encouraged to avoid using multiple accounts only to get first time bonus. Participants should be honest and kind to each other. Avoid multiple login in one IP address. Violation of the above mentioned will cause blocking of account and will not allow to use the system. Be careful and follow rules and ask your guide or manager for assistance. MMM will help us. MMM will give us chance, opportunity, and hope to arise from the dust. Sergi Mabrodi, founder of MMM, we are proud of you. Thank you for sharing this wonderful system to us. Your great idea greatly helped us. Once again, a million of thank you. I believe that together we can change the world. Join our community now, and together we will change the world. Thank you.